Hey y'all, how you doing today? Danna here, and I'm making lemon pepper tuna, okay? So I'm gonna make some lemon pepper tuna to go with my citrus salad that I made the other day. If you haven't seen me make this citrus salad, y'all get on my page and scroll down, go to videos and scroll down and you'll see it. Citrus salad, it's really good. So anyway, and it has this beautiful citrus dressing with it. So that's what I'm doing today. And today I need some kind of protein to go on top, and I want to show you my lemon pepper tuna, okay? So first of all, I gotta have some tuna, and I've drained it. This is gonna be about, these little cans are tiny. These are the 5-ounce ones. So after you drain the water off, you know, you don't have that as much. So I've drained off that and put it up through there. So I've got about 8 ounces of tuna in here. And then what I'm gonna have to do is add some lemon, okay? Because this is lemon pepper. I'm just gonna hold it this way, let the lemon come through. And I'm not gonna add it all of the juice out of the lemon until I taste of it, because we cook, so we've gotta taste what we're cooking. And we gotta add some pepper to it. And I'm gonna start with about 1/4 of a teaspoon, just a little bit, because that pepper, it does something really good to it. And maybe a shake or two of salt, just a smidge. Then I've got to get some mayo. So let me get me a spoon so I can get the mayo. Now I'm gonna start small and then add some. So I'm gonna add about, that's probably 2 tablespoons right there of mayo. Then I gotta stir it up. Then I'll taste it and see where we're at. And this will really complement my citrus salad. Okay. That looks so good. I like mine, you know, kind of, it turns it a little pale. You can see some of the mayo in there. Now I've got a taste of it, so let me get another spoon. Y'all know how it is in the kitchen. There we go. I got it right here. We're gonna see what I need to add to it. That is good. I'm gonna add some more lemon juice. Just a little bit more, maybe about another table. You know, this is the juice from half of a lemon, which is what I'm using. Okay, and a smidge more. I'm gonna add another tablespoon of the mayo. Well, I like the mayo. Now, if you like yours light on mayo, then you don't have to add all that. Okay, let me do me another little drop in here and taste of it. That is good. And it's gonna go so well with my citrus salad. So let me show you how I do it. I'm gonna drizzle a little of my beautiful dressing over there, and it's a very light dressing. And then I'm gonna make a little pile of this right on the top. Okay, make that look really pretty. And if I had been thinking ahead, I would have put some more citrus on top, but we can add a little piece right there. And this is what I've got. This is my citrus salad with my lemon pepper tuna. All right. This is good for a hot day. Anyway, I'm gonna tell you what I always tell you. 2 things. Number 1, my book. Here's my book, Happiness is Homemade, y'all, and it's on sale right now on Amazon. Go to Amazon and order it, and it'll come to your house, or you can get it today in an ebook. All right. So I'm going to tell you what I always tell you too. The good Lord loves you, and he really does, and I love you too. And y'all go make you a wonderful citrus salad with lemon pepper tuna. All right, have a good day. Bye-bye.